Hey, Jake again with YouTube Auto Repairs. Working on a '04 Lexus RX330, doing a front brake job with Rotors. And again, I wanted to point out a quick tip. Again, this is for beginners, not someone experienced, but I work with a lot of people, some new, some experienced, some not so experienced. But even when it comes to, it could be very simple, like, putting on a brake shoe. I see people struggle tremendously with this, and this is kind of a way I found, because there's springy action between these I don't know what you want to call them, anti-rattle clips here holds the brake pad in tight, so there's a little spring pressure on it, which may make it a little hard to get the pad in. So this has always worked for me on every car, not just this one, but sliding the brake pads in sideways like this, and just like I put them in at maybe a 35-degree angle, and then just push them like that. And it's so simple, as opposed to trying to take the brake pad and just push it in straight. And I will see people struggle with this and struggle with it and struggle with it. And I'll just take the shoe out their hand, put it on like this, and then just push it in. It's so simple, but people don't think about, simple. They just try to force things and rush things. And I hope again this video helps someone. And remember, this won't only work on this Lexus, but just about any car and any type of brake that has this sliding type caliper mechanism. You can just ease those brakes in there at that angle. So hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe in the comments. Leave a comment if you like it. Leave a comment if you don't like it. I always appreciate the views and the shares, and thanks again for watching.